Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have an unboxing of the Alcatel 1T7, and of course this is a tablet device, and as you can see here it comes with 16 gigabytes internal memory. It's a 3G tablet, so of course it has 3G technology built in. It comes with a Flipstand case that comes in as pictured here, so you can actually prop this up. Alright, and of course it breaks down the main features. It's 7-inch 3G. It should indicate that it can have a built-in receptacle or SIM tray for a SIM, so it can be used as a phone. It has a Core X4, or I think this is a 4-core processor, 16 gig of RAM, and of course you can see here it's Android, and of course it's a Go edition, and some lightweight feature here, and something related to High Plus must be related to the display, I would assume. And of course you can see this side right here, and you can see the back of the device. You can pause at any time to read, but I'll run through some of the main features. So you know the 7-inch screen, the 3G quad-core processor, which is 4 cores. It has two cameras, 5 megapixel, which should be the main, and 2 megapixel, which should be the secondary. 16 gig of RAM, 16 gigs of RAM, ROM, and 1 gigabyte of RAM, RAM. All right, and of course it features a 2580 mAh or milliamp hour battery. It comes with Android Oreo Go edition, and of course the Flipstand case. You can see some basic information down here, and I'm going to open this up. This is brand new. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, so we have removed the device from its case. Alright, so one of the first things you'll notice is the main device. I'm going to put this aside. Right, so it comes with adapter brick, standard USB-N. Alright, and also you'll see here it also has a charge section here. And this looks like micro USB. Alright, so we'll put this, it's Alcatel branded. Alright, so as you can see here, Alcatel 1T7, this is the information here. It gives you the front camera, it gives you the basic setup. You can pause at any time and read. I'm just going to kind of give you a quick run through. And of course, this is the user manual. Shows you how to access the SIM tray, shows you how to add a memory card, shows you how to charge the device. It even shows you the power up and so on. You can actually pause at any time to read. And of course, it shows you how to place a call. And it gives you all of the main features that you can use or how to use them. Alright, you can see Gmail, all that, so you can hook up with your Gmail. Alright, so we'll pause that. Nice documentation. There's the Alcatel information again, safety and precautions related to your device. We'll put this aside. And of course there is some other information here. Not sure what this is. Seems to be some recommendations, not sure what it is. It's in another language. We're going to put this aside as well. There's a table here, contact centers, which is nice. There is TCL mobile information here. You can see, we'll put this aside as well. Here as well, it basically runs you through, seems to be in Spanish. I'm not sure what it's saying, but it seems to be some quick steps. So we're going to put this aside. All right. So we're going to look at the case. So this is the case. All right. So it comes with a soft velvety case. You can see it right here. Very nice. And what I like about this, 7 inches, looks very nice. So these are some of the things that come in the package. So other than the charger, so on, you do get all of the documentation that's seen here. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside. I'm going to get out the tablet itself, start of the show. Right, and of course I'm not sure this is charged, but this is just an unboxing, and it runs you through again the information here, which is quite nice about the device, and you can always check this out for yourself. You can pause and read, and at the back here you see again it gives you the basic information and the Alcatel information. All right, so let's store the device now. All right, so we have the power button, volume up and down, very nice, soft touch. There is the micro USB slot. There's the headphone jack. All right, we're gonna check this side over here. On this side right here, there's a quick close compartment. Here you have micro SD and the SIM tray. I'm gonna close this out right there. All right, and that's it for the base. All right, so of course I'm gonna peel this off. All right, so you can see the screen. The bezels are a decent size. See here, so you can check out the bezels, front facing camera. There's also the rear facing camera, and I'm going to place this in the case. All right guys, so everything is completed. As you can see, nice casing, nice form factor. This can be placed in a purse or a bag, and of course this section protects the screen. Of course, again, you see the back, perfect cutout, and it protects the device. As you can see here again, this is the open side, and you can see everything related to the tablet. All right, so of course this is just the unboxing. This thing don't think it's charged, but of course I'll have future tutorials on this, and I'll actually show you off the interface in a separate video. All right, so this was just an unboxing just to familiarize you with the device. You can check out other videos about this device in our next video. All right, so this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.